Hi, this is AUDUSD and today it's Tuesday, 17th of June 2014 and the time is 13:52 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. As I told you on a previous case study on the pair where the price was up here, we should wait to see if the pair would actually make a successful bullish price Tenkan-sen cross, but odds were that it would continue falling because we had seen stochastics curving and going below 80 level line on the daily time frame after we had a double top lower close candlestick formation and an up fractal and all the signals that a corrective move, a downward move is starting. It's not late if you want to enter now, but I would advise you to follow my 4 time frames strategy using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, and I'm going to present it again to you. So although the biases are bullish, the pair wants to go up monthly. Although the price is moving inside the Kumo and monthly biases are bullish, you see stochastics going wildly up. Weekly everything looks bullish, although the pair is moving inside the Kumo here too. And daily also looks bullish, but for now we will take advantage of this corrective mood and we are going to take a nice short trade if all our entry conditions are met. And which are these? So using 4 time frames, we start from the highest, which will be in this case the daily time frame, and we want to see on the highest time frame a fresh bearish price Tenkan-sen cross. We have seen it already happening here. Tenkan-sen is the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, so you see that the bearish candlestick on the daily time frame has already crossed and is about to close below Tenkan-sen line. When we see this, we go to H4, the second smaller time frame, and we want to see a strong bearish Kumo breakout, which has not happened yet. To have a bearish Kumo breakout on H4, we need to see the price below the Kumo, and we also want it validated by Chikou-span. Chikou-span is the green line which moves in the past, and we want Chikou-span to be below past price action as it is, but also below the Kumo. So the price must come down here in order for a bearish Kumo breakout to be valid. When that happens, and I will insert a line here, you want to see the price down here and Chikou-span going below the Kumo in order to consider entering short. But this is not enough. When this condition is met, you will go to H1 to make sure that everything is bearish, and then to M30 after the bearish Kumo breakout has happened, and you will go and look there for a bullish correction like the one we see here. So when you see on M30, the fourth smallest time frame of the 4 that we are going to use, when you see a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross like the one we see here, I will insert a shape. When you see it, you wait for the upward corrective move to finish, and when it finishes and it makes a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, you enter short and you enter the trade. Now, this will happen after you see a bearish Kumo breakout on H4 and a correction on M30, a bullish correction. And when you enter, you place your stop at least 100 pips above your entry, and you place your take profit target close to the lower Bollinger Band, a few pips above, 10 to 20 pips above the lower Bollinger Band on the daily time frame, because when the pair reaches the lower Bollinger Band, something that stochastics will confirm, it will likely reverse and would want to resume its uptrend. So when you see stochastics plunging below 20 level line and getting curved upwards, prepare to exit. Of course, when they cross above 20 level line, you should be out. Okay, so I repeat, we have a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on daily time frame. First condition met. We go to H4 and we wait for a bearish Kumo breakout on H4 time frame confirmed by Chikou span. Second condition is not met yet, so we wait on the H4 time frame. Third, we want, when that happens, we want to see 100% bearish picture on H1, which is already evident. And then we go to M30 and we are looking for a nice entry there after a correction, after an upward corrective move. Now, I told you about your stop loss, I told you about your take profit target. There is also another way to exit, because our exit strategy is equally important, if not more important than our entry strategy. So we have three alternative exit strategies. One is setting take profit targets like the daily, the lower Bollinger Band on the daily time frame, which I already told you about. The other is to enter with a bearish Kumo breakout on H4 and exit when a bullish Kumo breakout happens on H4. This minimizes our profits depending on the pair's mood, and because the main trend is upward, we shouldn't use this Kumo breakout to Kumo breakout trade. We should use it when we enter with the trend. Now we enter against the trend, so I don't advise you to use it. But this is another approach. And the third one, which is for more aggressive traders and traders who have a lot of time to monitor their trades and stand in front of their computers and watch the trades, is the M30 or M15 price Tenkan-sen cross entry and exit. So let's go back to M30. Assume that this upward move was the one you were waiting for, and now you entered short here and you take the trade downwards. When you see an upward move and a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on M30, you exit. You wait for that correction, and when you see a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, you enter again. So you practically exit when a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross happens, you enter when a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross happens, you exit when a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross happens, and you enter again when a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross happens on M30. You can do the same with M15. It's up to you. This is another approach. Thanks for watching and happy pips.